From what?
90
something.
19 odd minutes here.
Alright, so it's like when you see me now, I give you a thing. No, man, I give you a decent thing. What?
No, 1 minute see you back again.
One
so
good enough?
One keep something that.
One
me
good
not
enough?
done everything that 1 minute see you again. My member.
So one can't hold you.
Well, me say no, you know.
But what?
You know it weak. but look how long me not see you making something stronger.
You want something stronger?
You know what me at.
So you don't want to weak nothing.
Sure, me no say me no want no. Yeah, my friend yes, and look how long me no see. More you touch him with something nice that me say.
You want something
me
nice?
no want done this car, my friend, and me no see how much years give me
So
this.
1 2 week.
Me no say that.
So who say week?
To currency.
Alright. You say okay, you say week, me I take it back. Can you say week?
No, me say to currency. Where Jamaican people are spend now.
Yeah.
One time $100.
Yeah.
If me book your bank camper down
Yeah.
and you say hold there,
Yeah.
me could have go in the store and buy a bull for $30
But no.
and a bag juice
Yeah.
for $10
Yeah.
and a
Yeah.
$50.
Yeah.
Reggie,
If me
Sam.
go in the store for one bull now, you
How
know
much is that?
$100.
And 100 done.
Yeah, sure.
Sure. Alright.
Alright. You know
Alright.
me.
This is your one.
Control this.
Yeah, Reggie, make us see where you get now. Yeah, Reggie, make us see where you get now.
It's easier.
That's strong.
Can't do and don't keep a members are you. How long it gonna serve me?
How long did that serve you?
Me spend money little.
So that'll serve you till next month.
Me no want it done.
Yeah, who will
Me a hold on and spend little. Cause you see you,
Yeah.
you know long me no see you. And look here, God
Yeah.
send you come.
Yes, Reggie, not even, huh?
Not even $1.